Rick, I bought a CPU, but I'm scared to put it in my computer. What if I break something?
Morty, it's not rocket science. First, ground yourself by touching the metal case. Static electricity can fry a $500 processor faster than you can say, "Oh geez, not."
Okay, but how do I know which way it goes? There's like a million tiny pins on this thing.
Burp. Those aren't pins, genius. Modern CPUs use contact pads. Look for the golden triangle in one corner that matches the triangle on your motherboard socket.
Wait, so I just drop it in? That seems too easy for something this expensive.
Never force it, Morty. If it doesn't drop in smoothly, you're doing it wrong. AMD CPUs have 1,718 contact points that need perfect alignment. One bent contact and you're buying textbooks instead of games.
Oh God, what about that metal arm thing? It looks like it could crush the CPU.
That's the retention arm. Yeah, it takes some force to close, but that's normal. It's like closing a really stiff door. The CPU can handle 40 pounds of pressure.
So you're telling me I just spent 20 minutes being terrified of something that's basically adult Legos?
Exactly. The hardest part is getting over your fear of expensive components. Follow this page so you stop getting tech advice from Jessica's Instagram stories.